the mini split is a great option to help people condition their garage or any room that they want to specifically set a desired temperature in without turning on or controlling the whole home to become that desired temperature. If you're thinking about cooling a specific room, or you need help with a room that is not getting to a temperature you want, think about the mini split. Give us a call. We'd love to help you out, show you what we can do, and we could take a really hot area like the garage and cool it down to a very reasonable temperature, sometimes even down into the 70s on extreme days, using these really efficient air conditioning systems called a mini split. If you have any questions about one or want to explore the option of installing a mini split at your home, give us a call. We'd love to answer